Okay, joining me this morning, who's going to be joining me for the next 3 hours as we wait to go live. We break down what happened yesterday. I'm joined by two very special guests, former federal prosecutor Neama Rahmani and criminal defense attorney Tiffany Simmons. I'm glad to see you both. Neama, I'll start with you. Let's talk about yesterday. Prosecution, their burden, they start opening statements, they start calling witnesses. How did they do on day one? If you're a juror sitting in there, how do you think the prosecution did on day one?
Jesse, I thought they did well. You have a murder case here. You have no body. You have no murder weapon. So the prosecution needs to set forth their circumstantial case. So they're going to be talking about motive. They're going to be talking about means, and they're going to be talking about opportunity. So they did a good job setting the theme for their story, right? That this is a husband who was abusive. This is a husband who made no effort to look after his wife who disappeared. And they started to poke holes in the defense case that this is a wife who was suicidal and had mental health issues. And essentially, the defense story is that this is a gone girl situation where she took off the decedent. And really, the prosecution wants to paint a very different story, that this is not a suicide and this is a murder, a cold-blooded one.
Well, Tiffany, you know where I'm going to go with this. I'm going to ask you now about the defense. You heard